In this tutorial I will show you how to make the 3D pop-out effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Magic Tool. Select the area. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Adjust the color and press OK. Drag your image. Alt press hold click create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl J copy. Go to select and choose subject. Add a layer mask. Create a new layer. Choose the brush tool. Foreground color is black. Follow these settings. That's it, hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.